in case one of your ideas is not actually what you want to do, because it's one thing to dream and fantasize about something, and it's a different thing. It's a different thing to go on the field and do the work. So if you go to the field, if you go do the work and see the reality that is behind, and you don't like it because you've done it on a small scale, you can move on to the next easily, compared to you have invested in $2 million worth of books, and now you have a hard time because you have to have your money back. You cannot pivot to something else. You're kind of stuck here unless you're okay with losing the $2 million. But most people won't be okay with that. So yeah, it's easier to pivot when you have started small. It's easier to move on to the next, and yes, you're going to be hurt, or maybe you will be happy to discover that, oh, you know what, actually I don't want to do this, and so you just move to the next.